What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about the Remarkable Paper Pro. The Remarkable tablet offers a unique paper-like writing experience perfect for note-taking and sketching. With features like handwriting conversion, a distraction-free environment, and long battery life, it enhances productivity for users seeking a focused workspace. Ideal for creatives and professionals alike, it combines digital convenience with tactile satisfaction. Now, let's talk about some of its features. Paper with digital powers. The Remarkable tablet uniquely combines the tactile feel of paper and digital functionality, allowing users to write, sketch, and annotate seamlessly. This feature enhances the writing experience by providing a satisfying pen-on-paper sensation while enabling easy editing and organization. It effectively replaces traditional notebooks, making it a versatile tool for note-taking, brainstorming, and creative work. Canvas color display. The latest Remarkable models feature a high-quality color display that significantly enhances visual content. This display allows for richer presentations of sketches, diagrams, and annotations, making it easier to visualize ideas. Users can enjoy an engaging experience when reviewing colorful content like PDFs or image while benefiting from the low glare and eye-friendly properties of e-ink technology. Adjustable reading light. Equipped with an adjustable reading light, the Remarkable tablet ensures comfortable viewing in various lighting conditions. This feature allows users to read and write comfortably in bright sunlight or low-light environments. By adjusting the brightness, users can reduce eye strain and enhance usability, making it ideal for long reading or writing sessions without discomfort. 2 weeks of battery life. With an impressive battery life of up to 2 weeks on a single charge, the Remarkable tablet is perfect for on-the-go use. This extended battery life allows users to take the tablet anywhere without worrying about frequent recharging. It is particularly beneficial for travelers or professionals who require a reliable device that lasts through long weekdays or meetings. Data safety and privacy. The Remarkable tablet prioritizes user data safety with robust privacy measures in place. Users can feel secure knowing their notes and documents are protected from unauthorized access. The device's design excludes social media and distracting apps, creating a focused work environment while ensuring that sensitive information remains confidential and safeguarded against potential breaches. Integrate with other tools. The Remarkable tablet integrates smoothly with various productivity tools and applications, enhancing its usability. This integration allows users to sync their notes across devices, access files from anywhere, and collaborate more effectively. By combining handwritten notes with digital tools, users can streamline their workflow, making project management and information sharing with colleagues or clients much easier. Now, let's talk about some potential drawbacks. While the Remarkable tablet excels in note-taking and sketching, it lacks features found in traditional tablets such as app support and multimedia capabilities. Users cannot access popular applications like Kindle or productivity tools, which limits its versatility. This makes it less suitable for those seeking an all-in-one device for various tasks. The absence of a built-in front light is a significant drawback for the Remarkable tablet. Unlike many e-readers, the device does not allow users to read or write comfortably in low-light conditions. This limitation can hinder usability in dim environments, making it less practical for nighttime use or poorly lit spaces. The Remarkable tablet requires a subscription for full access to its cloud services after an initial free year. This ongoing cost can be frustrating for users who expect comprehensive features without additional fees. The subscription model may deter potential buyers who prefer devices with one-time purchase pricing and no recurring expenses. In conclusion, the remarkable tablet offers a unique blend of paper-like writing and digital functionality, making it an excellent tool for note-taking and creativity. However, its limited app support, lack of front light, and subscription model may not suit everyone. Ultimately, it's ideal for focused users seeking simplicity and efficiency. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.